Hello, how are you going everyone? Just a super quick video on how to check your wallet address on a Google spreadsheet, which is especially useful if you're joining in multiple IDOs on platforms like Paid and DuckStarter and so on. Hopefully this tutorial can save you a bit of time scrolling through those thousands of wallet addresses. The lucky winners list is just a Google Excel sheet, and you'll see it displays the first 8 digits and the last 8 digits of wallet addresses for privacy. So select a column, column A, then edit, then find and replace, paste in your wallet address that you set up earlier, click match case, then find. Then hopefully your wallet address will be selected from the spreadsheet. It will display how many tickets you have and if you've actually KYC'd or not. Okay, so there you go. I hope you found that useful everyone, and if so, please leave a comment, a like and subscribe. Also, feel free to leave any requests for future videos that you'd like to see. Take care everyone and see you soon.